Whilst there are other ways to do this problem, the way I like to do it is to get rid of the powers, because powers make really big numbers, and that is to the fifth power. So what we can do in order to solve for this x, the first thing we can do is drop that 5 so that's in front, multiplying to the log, so we would say 5 times natural log of 4x, and 4x is inside of your log, the other side is 15. Now if you want to get an x outside of a log, the log must be alone. Got to make the log alone. So means we got to get rid of this 5 right here. How do we get rid of that 5? You divide by 5. So now I have natural log of 4x equals 3. Now in order to get rid of that log, I must raise this side and this side to the base of that log. What is the base of a natural logarithm? E. So I go base E, peace out. And I'm left with a 4x on the left side. On the right side, I have e raised to the third power. E. Now, how do I get that x alone? Divide by quattro. So I divide by 4 there. I divide by 4 on the other side. And I get x equals e to the third power divided by 4. And that answer is correct. You can also rewrite this as 1 over 4 times e to the third, but I think I like this one better. Questions? Okay, so to recap, we got rid of this power by dropping him because he's inside of the log. Whenever you have a power inside of a log, you're allowed to do this. So how would you want to do this one? Right here. How would we get rid of that 2 right there? I mean, you could go 2x plus 5 times 2x plus 5, but that's annoying. Yeah, let's drop that 2. Drop him as if he were hot. So we're going to drop that 2, then we have 2 times log of 2x plus 5, and on the other side we have a quattro. Now to get rid of that 2 we can divide. We'll divide by 2 and that will get rid of that 2 right there. We can't touch the 2 inside there because whatever's inside the log is inside the log. You can't touch him until he's outside of the log. Divide that by 2, so let's see what we get now. On the right side we have a 2, on the left side we have a log of 2x plus 5. Alright people, how do I get rid of this log? What base does this log have? Base 10, so we raise it to the base 10. That means this log is now an exponent and this 2 is now an exponent. So let's see what we get. Peace out. Then we have 2x plus 5. On the other side we have 100. Alright, so solve for x. What we gonna do? Subtract that 5. So we get 2x equals 95. And then what we gonna do? Divide by 2, Mr. Patey. Whoa, that's a weird voice. Don't do that. X equals 95 over 2. And I'm just gonna leave it just like that. Now one thing we have to do, we have to make sure of, is that whatever answers we have, do not make negative numbers inside of a logarithm. Now since this is a positive number times a positive 2, and then plus a positive 5, that's still going to be positive. So I don't have to worry about this one. And nor do I have to worry about this one, because if I put this in here, that would just make a positive number. Positive times a positive. Alright, so these ones are done.